Hi there crafters, it's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and this is the card that we're making today using Petal palette. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our stamping, and I'm getting the black archival ink, and we are using the sentiment, "Life is so much better with you in it," and that's from Petal palette. And I have a piece of Whisper White, and this measures 4 by 5 1/4. No, I'm sorry. This measures 3 3/4 by 5. And then I have the sentiment mounted on block B. So I'm just going to ink them up. And I'm going to put it right here in the bottom right hand corner. Actually, you know, I think I'm going to put it over here in the left hand corner. Alright. And then I'm going to come in with the Berry Burst ink pad. Alright, and I'm just going to kind of stamp off here, just like that. And then I'm going to come in with a sticky note, and I want to cover my sentiment. Then I'm going to stamp again. And let's see. Yeah, just like that. And now we will put this card together. I'm going to mount this. First I'm going to get the Berry Burst metallic edged ribbon. And let's see. I'm just going to make it long enough where I can tape it in the back. Alright, so I'm just going to bring in some Scotch tape and tape that down. And those we'll use for in a minute. I'm going to put this down with some snail. Be smart if I opened it first. Put it on all 4 sides. And then I have a piece of the silver foil sheet, and that's cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And I just want to make a border around that. And now I'm going to get some more snail. Well, I'm going to grab my fast fuse because that's what I have right here on my desk. And this is the foil paper, so that will probably be better anyway. And then I'm going to put this down. Our card base is Berry Burst as well, and this is cut at 5 1/4 5.5 by 8.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. Okay, so I'm going to come in with the Petal Passion embellishments. And they come in these little flowers and the little leaves. So, just going to get one of the flowers on with the glue dot, and I'm going to put it right there. Alright, so there you have it, a quick and simple. You could use this for anniversary card, just because, anything you'd like. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. Remember, if you need any of these supplies, you can click on in the YouTube description below. It'll take you right to my online store. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye!